Border area, in border area, it is not kind of such type of politics or social activists should be entered here. Not kind of social activists should be entered here. It is only for security purpose. In border area, it should not be allowed. Here, no need of campaigning all these things. No need of campaigning. Unfortunately, it happens.
One of the
so
members
important
in the committee.
It is actually for us. Actually for us.
I'm one of the member of the boundary committee.
It is for us. It is not.
I know better here than you.
No.
Because I am in the boundary committee.
According to us,
So
according to us, it is
just keep quiet. Let your additional.
Here, no need to do such type of politician.
No.
Even we can talk about security purpose, security level. We can talk about. I have no right to talk with you. And also here, no need to discuss about all these things, politics. It is not the right time to do politics.
This is my responsibility.
It's not a responsibility. It does not. It is not responsibility. It is not responsibility.
This is all my.
You will create such type of panic problem here. It is not a responsible, huh? Politics coming here, it is completely, it is not a good thing. Yeah, you are a politician and you are entering here.
But
you are not my politician.
No.
You are no right to stay here. I can talk with SP or DSP or OCIC. How you can say that you are people?
This is all my people.
This is completely who will
all my people. All my people.
You never used to.
All my people.
You just please come.
Don't say like that. No.
You just
I'll stand
please
here
come.
because I'm waiting
It
for my
is not.
magistrate.
Yeah, no question. Yeah, politics no sole. Yeah, border area.